Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Jacqueline, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to crochet shoe soles for babies. And this is the part 2 of this tutorial. In the part 1 of this video I handled how to crochet shoe soles for 0 to 3 months and 3 to 6 months, and in this video, the part 2, I will show you how to crochet shoe soles for 6 to 9 months and 9 to 12 months. Finally, the link to the part 1 of this video is going to be at the end of this particular tutorial or at the description box below this video. So you can go there and watch the part 1. For today's video, I'll be using a cotton yarn. More information about this yarn is going to be at the description box below this video. I'll use a pair of scissors, a 4.5mm hook, a yarn needle, and a measuring tape. Measuring tape is very optional for this video. And so yeah, let's start the tutorial. We're going to make a slip knot. For a slip knot, wrap the yarn around these two fingers. You have a circle, go into the circle and tie. Into the circle, pull to fit the size of your hook. So for 6 to 9 months, we're going to chain 13. We have 13 chains. After that, we're going to skip 2 chains and walk into the third chain with 3 double crochet stitches. Yarn over and pull through. You have 3 loops on the hook. Pull through 2, pull through 2, and that's our first double crochet. So 2 more double crochet in that same chain space. After that, we are going to work 1 double crochet into the next 9 chains. Into the first chain, place the first double crochet. Into the second chain, another double crochet. After working 1 double crochet into the last 9 chains, into this last chain here, we are going to place 6 double crochet into this chain here. So go into the chain with the first double crochet, the second double crochet, and you repeat this till you have a total of 6 double crochet in this same chain space. Next, you're going to place 1 double crochet into the next 9 stitches. That is 1 double crochet into every single stitch till you're at the 9th stitch. Into this first stitch where we placed 3 double crochet at the beginning of the round, we're going to place 3 more double crochet into that same space, and the last double crochet. To close up the round, we are going to slip stitch at the top of the first double crochet stitch. So come to the top here and slip stitch. This is what we have. For the next round, chain 1, and we're going to place 2 half double crochet into the next 3 stitches. So yarn over, go into this first stitch where we slip stitched and chain 1 in. This very first stitch, place the first half double crochet. For a half double crochet, you yarn over first into the stitch. You have 3 loops on the hook. Pull through all 3 loops. This is the first half double crochet. The second half double crochet into that same stitch. You have 3 loops on the hook. Pull through all 3 loops. Into the second stitch, you are placing 2 half double crochet, 1 and 2. Repeat same thing for the third stitch. Next, after placing 2 half double crochet into the last 3 stitches, we're going to place 1 half double crochet into the next 5 stitches. Starting with this first stitch, 1 half double crochet. After working 1 half double crochet into the last 5 stitches, we're going to place 1 double crochet into the next 3 stitches. So go into the first stitch, place the first double crochet, repeat till you're at the third stitch. Next, we're going to place 2 double crochet into the next 8 stitches. So 2 double crochet into the first stitch, 2 double crochet into the second stitch till you're at the 8th stitch. The first double crochet and the second double crochet in that same stitch. You're going to repeat this pattern till you're at the 8th stitch. After working 2 double crochet into the last 8 stitches, we're going to repeat everything we did on this side on this other side. That's placing 1 double crochet into the next 3 stitches. So go into this first stitch, 1 double crochet, into the second stitch, 1 double crochet, and the third stitch, 1 double crochet. Next, we are going to place 1 half double crochet into the next 5 stitches. The first stitch, repeat this till you're at the last stitch. After that, we're going to place 2 half double crochet into the next 3 stitches like we did at the beginning of this round. To slip stitch at the top of the first half double crochet stitch. So go to the top and close up the round. Chain up 1, grab your scissors and cut off, pull through, tighten up, and this is what we have for 6 to 9 months. So we're going to start with a slip knot. This is the tail of your yarn and this is your working yarn. Wrap the working yarn around these 2 fingers. You have a circle. This is still the working yarn. Pull it through the circle and tie. Go in with your hook. Adjust the working yarn to fit the size of your hook. We're going to chain up 15. After you have 15 chains, you're going to skip the first 2 chains and walk into the third chain. So yarn over, skip the first 2 chains, walk into the third chain with 3 double crochet. So yarn over, go into the third chain, yarn over, pull through. You have 3 loops on the hook, pull through 2 loops, pull through 2 loops. So repeat till you have a total of 3 double crochet in this same chain space. After that, we're going to place 1 double crochet into the next 11 chains. We're going to work 6 double crochet into this very last chain space. We're going with the first double crochet and the second, so you have a total of 6 double crochet in that same chain space. Moving on, we're going to mirror everything we did on this side on this other side. To do that, we're going to place 1 double crochet into the next 11 stitches. So go into this very first stitch with a double crochet. After working 1 double crochet into the last 11 chains or stitches, we're going to place 3 double crochet into this very first chain space that we placed 3 double crochet at the beginning of the round and the last double crochet. To close up the round, we're going to slip stitch at the top of the first double crochet. chain 1. We're going to start the second round. Place 2 half double crochet into the next 3 stitches. So go into the very first stitch, the first half double crochet, and the second half double crochet. Next, we're going to place 1 half double crochet into the next 6 stitches. So repeat this till you're at the 6th stitch. 1 double crochet into the next 3 stitches. So go into the first stitch, place 1 double crochet, into the second stitch another double crochet, and the third stitch the last double crochet. I'm going to place 2 double crochet into the next 10 stitches. 2 double crochet into the first, 2 double crochet into the second till you're at the 10th stitch. So let's start with the first double crochet into the first stitch, the second double crochet in that same stitch. After working 2 double crochet into the last 10 stitches, we're going to place 1 double crochet into the next 3 stitches, 1 half double crochet into the next 6 stitches. Remember, we are simply repeating everything we did on this side on this other side to give it a balance. Okay, so place 1 half double crochet into the next 6 stitches. After that, place 2 half double crochet into the next 3 stitches. We have 3 stitches left. Place 2 half double crochet into the 3 stitches. First half double crochet, second half double crochet in that same stitch. Chain 1. Grab your scissors and cut off. Pull through, tighten up. Finally, for this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to weave in your loose ends. These ends here are called loose ends. Grab your yarn needle, come to the back of your work, go into the top of some stitches, just the top. After that, you can cut this off. So repeat this process for every other loose ends you may have. Kindly like this video and please subscribe to this channel if you haven't. Also, let me know what you think of this video in the comment section. I will be so happy to read your different comments and reply to them also. Finally, if there's any crochet project you'd like me to make a tutorial on, feel free to let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next video.